So in first video you already sees how we can create a init file and manifest file in our basic module. In this video we will move further and we will see how we can create a models directory. So for that, creating a models, we just need to select our module, and from right click we just need to select new and directory, and we need to assign name as a models. So it will create a new models directory under our basic module. What we need to contain in our models? So models is like a Python package, and in models we can assign all the Python files, or we can add all the Python packages. So how we can create a models or model? So for that we just need to press a right click, and from new we just need to select any of the file and what the file name would be. So it would be the model name what we need to create. So for now I am adding a student_student.py. So it will create a Python file under our models directory, and in this model or Python file what we need to add? So here we need to create our new model. So how we can create it, or how we can define a class? So for creating a model we just need to write class or class name. So for now I am adding a class name as a student, and under bracket we just need to add models.model. So what is models.model define? So whenever we are defining models.model, so it will store the data forever in the database. So if we want to create a new model and we want to store this model data forever in our database, so we just need to assign models.model over here, and after that we just need to write underscore name is equal to, and here we need to add student.student. So what I added in this student.student. So if you want to create a new model, so we just need to add underscore name and model name. So what this underscore name parameter do? So it will create a new table in the database with the same name, just dot is replaced by underscore. So the table name is student_student. So using this in the query you can find all the record of this model using this student_student. But whenever we are imported or added models.model, it will showing the error. Why it is showing error? Because we didn't imported the models. So how we can import model? From Odoo import models and fields. So why we write from Odoo? Because you can see our in version 18 code, you can see the Odoo directory over here, and under Odoo directory you can see the models.python file is already defined. So using this definition we imported the models Python file and fields Python file over in our basic module, and now we are passing the second parameter of our model like underscore description. So what this parameter can do? So whenever we are passing the underscore description, it will user friendly description of our newly created model. So in the description we pass students data. So whenever we are passing the student data, it will be user friendly and any of can see the description and easily understand so what we added or what we are created for this model. After that we can create a fields. So how we added a fields and what type of field in our Odoo. So in our Odoo there are multiple types like character, boolean, many to one, one to many, many to many, float, text field there. So there are multiple types of fields in Odoo, but for now I am just using the character and boolean field for easy understanding. So I am creating a new field called name or student name is equal to fields dot care. So why I am using this care? So care represent a character field and under bracket we are adding the field name like a string. So this is our this is the representation name of our student name field, and after that I am creating a new field and the field type is boolean. Active is equal to fields dot boolean active, and this is the string for this active field. So using this we can created a new models and we created a fields also, and how we can import this in our models directory. So for importing this we just need to go to models directory, and from new we just need to create one init file under the models directory, and we just need to import this file in our models init file. So from dot import student dot student. So using this technique we import our Python file in our init file. After creating a models directory, what we need to do, we just need to go to our base init file and we just need to import this model directory in our init file. So how we can do it? We just need to go to init and write from dot import models. So using this we are importing our models directory in our init file. So it will load the all model directory and also all the Python file which are already in the models directory. After that we move how we can create a views view directory. So for creating a views directory we just created a or select our base module, and from write new and directory we just need to create a views and name as a view and press enter. So it will create a new directory in our base module. What we need to add in the view directory? So in the view directory we just need to add our all the XML data. So how we can add? We just need to press right click, from new, from files we just need to press or give a name of the XML file. So what we need to add? Student underscore student dot XML. Why I am adding student underscore student? Because we already created our model name as a student dot student, so it will easy to understand and user friendly. And for adding or in XML file, first we just need to press less than, so it will show this drop down. From this drop down we just need to select first option XML version and UT8 add, and press enter, and need to add Odoo. And in that, in Odoo there are multiple types of views like form view, tree view, search view, kiosk, calendar. Multiple type of views are there, but for now I am just adding a or creating a form view of our student underscore student, and I am just commenting this so it will not any so it will not give any error. And how we can create a form view? So for that we just need to write record id and model and close our form view. Or if you don't want to write, we just need to go to our Odoo base add-ons and go to any of the our module, and from views you can open any of the file, XML file, and we just need to copy this form view, list view. So for now I am just copy these two and paste it in our XML file. After pasting this, what we need to do, we just need to remove the ID and add our model or our form view ID like a student underscore form. So using this we can see if we want to find any of the record or any of the form view ID, so using this we can identify that this is our student model form view, and the model name for form view is ir.ui.view. And what we need to add in the name, so we just need to copy our ID and paste it, and we just need to replace the underscore as a dot, so it will, the form view name would be student.form. In the model, what we need to add, so what the model name we added like student, and which model we want to create this form. So for that we just need to remove it and add student. So it will create a form view for this model. And the third parameter is like a field name is arc and type XML. This we don't need to change, just remove the form string. The seed parameter we need to add as it is, and we just need to remove the group. And what we need to add in the seed, so we already created two fields, student name and active, so we just need to load it over here like field name is equal to student name, and the second field is name is equal to active. So using this we created a form view. Now we can move to the list view of student. So we just need to perform the same process like student, copy the form view ID and replace the form as list, so it will create the list view ID. And for name we just need to copy this, put it over here, just replace the underscore as a dot. Now for model we just need to copy the student, copy over here, and you can see the list parameter. If you want to add any string for this list view, so we can add it. For now we are removing it and copy these two fields which we define in the form view and paste it in our list view. So using this we already created a form and list view. For now we created a action for this. So how we can create an action? For creating an action we just need to go to any of the base module. So you can see this is the base model file, so in that there is no action over here. You can see the action, so we just need to copy this, go to our base module action and paste it. Now from this we just need to remove these two fields the res model is there, view mode is there. We just need to remove search view id and view id. So using this we can create a action, but we just need to remove the name or id or replace the name. So for now I am adding student underscore action. So this is our action id, and what we need to add as a action name, like a, so here we are adding the action name as a student. What our model name, so our model name is student. So we are just copy and paste it over here. And when this action get called, so which view you want to show first? So for that, if you want to show first a form view, so you can add form, or if you want to first show the list view, so you can add a list over here. So for now we have only two views, list and form, so we just need to remove Kanban from here. And I suggest we just need to make list view as a first and form view as a second, so it will easy for us to check all the records. And how we can add the menu or call our action in the menu. So for how we can create a menu, so for that we just need to write a menu item and give id. So for first we just need to create menu student underscore root, so it will give id of the menu. And if you want to add any name for this menu, so we are adding students, so it will create the first menu. After that, if we want to create a child menu for this, so for that we just need to go create a menu item id menu student menu underscore student, and name for this is student menu. And for that, if we want to add this newly created menu under this menu, so for that we just need to pass a parent parameter. So what parent parameter can do? Parent parameter can do one thing, it will add first this menu, and under this menu created a new menu called the student menu. So for now I am passing this menu id, first menu root menu id in the parent and calling our action. So what the fourth parameter is action. So in the action we already created one action, student underscore action, so we just need to pass it over here. So now you can see in the XML file, first we created a form view, after that we created a list view and the action and the menu. Now we just need to load this file in our manifest file. So how we can load our XML file in our manifest? So we just need to go to our base module manifest file, and you can see the data parameter over here. So under the list we just need to press enter, and we just need to add single, and from views we just need to add views directory name. If we importing this from the security, so we just need to add security over here. And how we can import the security, it will we can show after this, but for now we just loading the view file. So I pass the parameter as a views and backslash, and we just need to copy our XML file name and paste it over here. So whenever we are doing this, it will load our views directory, and under views we added the one XML file, so it will load the XML file as well. So now in our base module we created a models and view. Now we can install this module. So how we can install? I already give a path for our, and now we just need to go to apps, and you can see the update app list. So we just need to press update, so it will update, and we just what we need to edit over here. So we just need to copy our newly created basic module name. So how we can copy? We just need to click on our basic module and press Ctrl C, so it will copy, and we just need to paste it in a search, and now press enter. So it will show our module name. So how we can install it? We just need to press enter. So now you can see there is nothing changes happen. Why? Because we didn't created security file. What security file can do? Using security file, we can assign or we can give access to particular user. So for now, if you can't see any changes, so you need to give a access for the user. So how you can create a security file or give access? So for that, we just need select our base module, and from new we just need to create a security file. How we can create security? And dot, so it will create a security directory in our model. And now under the security directory, we just need to create a new file called ir.model.access.csv. so this name we didn't change. If we change this, so it will not affect in our module, or it will be not this file name is not changeable. We just need to give same name in all our future module. So for now I am adding ir.model.access.csv, and we just need to press write. What we need to add in the CSV file? For here we just need to go to base, any of the base Odoo module, and from security file you can see the ir.model.access.csv file. We just need to go inside this, and we just need to copy the first and second line and paste it in our module. So using this we added the security file. So first line would be ID, name, model, group ID, perm read, permission for write, permission for create, and permission for unlink. This we didn't change in any of the module. This is the first line, and we have to put this as a first line, and after that we just need to give access for our model. So how we can give it? We just need to go to our Python file and copy our model name and go to our CSV file. So this line I already copied because this is for our reference. So how we can give access for our model? So we just press write access underscore and copy our model name. For that we just need to remove dot and press add underscore. After that, this is the first parameter as called ID. So now we just need to add the name parameter. What we need to add in the name parameter? So for now we are giving a name as a access dot and our model name. So this will our security file or our model name. Press enter. Now what we can assign? We can add a model name. So for giving a model name, we just need to add model underscore and paste our model dot replaced by underscore and press comma. Now the fourth parameter is a group. So in group, if you want to add a group for any specific user, so you can add it. For now I am giving access this to all the users, so I am adding the comma, so it will consider that all the user have access. The fifth parameter is read. So if you want to add the read permission, so we can add 1, or if you don't want to give permission, so you just need to press 0. But for now I am adding a 1, so it will give the user read access. After that we can see the permission for write, so I am adding a 1. I am giving access for write After that you can see the permission for create, so I am adding the create access for that as well, and the permission for unread. And now after creating this line, we just need to remove the second line. So using this we give access to specific user for the specific model. And now I am importing this in our manifest file. So how we can import? In manifest file, in data parameter, the security file must be a first. So we just need to write security backslash, enter comma, and what we need to add, we just need to copy our security file and paste it over here. Now what we need to do? So using this we already load our security file in our module. So now we just need to select our module name, go to Odoo, from apps we just need to press our module name, and from 3 dot you just need to upgrade our module. So whenever you are giving the access, after that you can see the student menu over here. So you just need to, or module over here, so we just need to select that student, and now you can see it will open one view over here. It is called tree view. And if you want to create any of the new records, so you just need to click on new, and now you can see the view is not user friendly. So for making this view user friendly, you just need to go to Python, and you just need to go to our XML file, and under the sheet you just need to add group, and we just need to add these two field in this, under this group. And now go to the Odoo, and now you just need to apps, our module name, and from 3 dot you just need to upgrade our module. And whenever you are upgrading our module, we just need to go to students, and whenever you are creating a new, so now you can see the field name, and this view is user friendly. So for now I am adding my name as a Srujan and active, and save, and whenever you go back to this, it will show our record as well. So using this technique you can create a one basic module. So thanks for watching. If you don't get anything, so just add a comment, so I will help you in that, and from description you can download this module. So thanks for watching.